A look at design concepts for Tesla's Model Y redesign. Project Juniper. Welcome back to the Charged Up podcast. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary world of Tesla with a focus on Project Juniper, the redesign of the Model Y. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about an evolution in user experience and functionality. Tesla constantly pushes the envelope, integrating cutting-edge technology with sustainability. Imagine a Model Y that not only looks sleek, but also enhances aerodynamics for greater efficiency. This redesign could introduce innovative features, potentially including a more spacious interior and advanced infotainment systems, all while maintaining Tesla's hallmark of safety and performance. But what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? Is Tesla setting the standard for how cars should look and perform in an eco-conscious world, or are they merely the first to the finish line? As we explore these questions, we must consider the broader implications of such advancements on the automotive industry and consumer expectations. Stay tuned as we unpack the layers of this redesign and what it signifies for the future of electric vehicles. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI. Learn more.